My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2013 Porsche Cayenne. This vehicle has done just over 90,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. Just to the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have our automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, if we press car, we can access our personal trip data, information, map and navigation, smartphone integration, and media. Just below we have our dual zone climate control, which includes heated seats on either side. Moving down, we can switch between our off-road and on-road, comfort mode, normal mode and sport mode, and just to the right we can control our suspension. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior, and get a good view of our sunroof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.